And welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion Music. Listen, I am officially have been nicknamed the Zion Music Analyst. Nazo. Guys, you're like it's crazy. Before we get into this, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe, and also, guys, give me recommendation to other churches as well, so that numbers are born. I understand. And the more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Don't forget to like. Also, share to other people. You might never know. Listen, guys. My videos are really going viral. Like, yeah, you know. I don't want to name drop. There are church members who have wished out, and they're loving it. Anyway, namhlanje ngizoreacta to Triple CAC Ministries wena owazi izinzi zethu. I hope I'm saying, oh God, please. Yazizulu nasengigwaba. Anyway, double CAC, angazi what does it stand for. Oh, and another thing, let me fix something, guys. When I react to churches, I don't do research, I don't read the comments. Reason being, I want to be as honest as I can, and I also want to enjoy without having my thoughts already been infected with whoever's opinion about the church. They understand. That is why yesterday I did not know Uguti EATE ZS is an association for students in tertiary Zion, for tertiary Zion students. I didn't know. And guess what? I'm still reacting because at the end of the day gotta end. So without wasting you guys' time, let's dive right into it. Let's get it. Man, guys, let me tell you something you did not ask me. I didn't connect my phone to the amp. Now you have to wait for just a couple of seconds. It is supposed to connect. Wow. Angibonanga ukuthi man. Sound connect. There we go. Asizwe. There we go. Okay. Now we can react.
Pastor Ushugwana for the main sermon. Emva kwaloko siyobe sesiqhubekela phambili bazalwane egameni laJesu. Amen.
So, bebasemshadweni ka Mr. and Mrs. Shop. I think Shop, right? I think. So the name of the church is Christian Catholic Christian Apostolic and Catholic Church Ministries. Yeah. Imobe. like, it has like no, I like that. I know I like that. Like I love yo, and the nice thing about Amabandla Manje, everyone has their own songs. Like 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 that alone, it's just a beautiful thing. And the abasebahle ke, like bayakhanya, ba white. Hayi cishe ba so okay. Let me understand this so that I don't say Zintas out of pocket, right? So ibheka le, if first part, I think we as abantu basezayo ne kumele sazi ukuthi kunebheka kune-first part. Sazi ukuthi umsebenzi webheka yini, umsebenzi we-first part yini. But I know people can get confused between the two. Remember that ibheka is someone who backs the leader. But if first part is a person that sings with the leader, if I'm getting the terminology right, I should be. Because Mangpega, yeah, we are sis. Because she's not singing one way. So Ipeka is someone who sings Atule, sings Atul. As for if first part keeps going. So Ipi first part. Njengoba ngisho ingoma isaqala. 2 minutes. And nakhona, it's like what I said on one of the previous videos, ukuthi the way we are so used to having the same system, nokuthi i-leader, i-leader, i-first part, i-back, soprano, alto, whatever. When we don't hear that, kuba ne, and we forget ukuthi when you sing, it's how you guys want it to sound like, not how we want it to sound like. And I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Because I remember kunebandla bebenza kanjalo where i-alto was singing, and then first part came in later. I was like, wait, what? Uyangithola? there's nothing more impressive than abantu abangagwinya ihholo. Yo, bruh. Hey, somthotho siyecula baba. The echo is there. I understand kwenzakalani. Nabona stadium. Yabona i-alto yale bandla makuthiwa abasebenza overtime. This is what they're talking about. Hey. Le alto itle at some point nocabanga ukuthi mhlambe ayi man. Khona baculayo then bangene after or like what's going on? Like whatever it is that they have mastered it. Because the Al is so number one, Al it clear like it oh. Wena mangintshela bafethu ukuthi women in Zion will make you fall in love with Zion. This is what I'm talking about. And talk. Bass, yeah, like it's not even that loud, Mara. It's audible. And I don't know how old this church is. I don't know, but you find that ngokucula kwebandla ukuthi which singing system the church uses. If bass is like the one that's always singing all the time, that's where you know good. Oh, okay, no, this is the newer wave. But if bass, yeah, it then like old school. Meloas, phela listen, meloas umehluka, babo vibrato, nan. You don't get that. Ella Becca Lana, she's doing an amazing job. Like she's really doing an amazing job. Like she's loud. I screaming. Hey, there was a church I was reacting to. Oh, Lamtana Bega scream. In my head, I'm like, bro, why are you screaming? But guess what? I have to turn this into professional. Bafuna ukusthatha personal, and I understand why. Abantu bangachase phela. It's a corrector. But at the end of the day, we still love what you're doing. Hey, it's futsal. Plain and simple. Abayindawo yabo ukuthi le chorus is nice and slow. Abajahi, abagijimi. It's just a matter of okay, bafethu, let's have fun. That's what they're doing. As in. Bafethu, yabona mina ngithanda ukugwaba. Mana manje ngekho in sync. That is why ngihlezi ngintshela. Yabona alikho ibandla eliphethe u-first lady ogwaba njengomamsusi. Forget. Okuyekelani. That's la mama makagwaba ne. Wonke umuntu uvela ajoin. People never understand. Like guys, yes, once ukugwaba kweni kwangayenzi isense. Everything eniyenzayo after that will never look nice. It will never. Because you must understand something, ukuthi man gwaba, it's a group thing. No one cannot stand alone egwabeni. You can't. Senendaweni eyi-one. No, I'm being for real now. Like for real. Makuthiwa sagwaba. Sonke faneke sibuke ngathi manje sicabanga ngokufana because you look at the next person, not the next person look at the next person and then be like, okay. Man, we wishy-washy. Ay. Noma ngicula kahle, maningagwabi grand, ningabi ne-sequence ekahle. Hey, everything just looks boring. because you're like, okay, what's going on? And I know people don't take it serious. People are like, why am I the same? I get that. Like, I get that. But guys, askwabeni, asdumiseni uNkulunkulu kahle. We are here together. Squabin. Ngisasho yabona ukugwaba kune-video eye-God's Vision ebengiyibukela. I reacted to that video. I think it's one of the earliest video. It was a funeral. The way angazi bebangcwaba abantu, but apparently that guy could sing. It's one of my favorite videos, right? I know ukuthi lapha bekucula uSifiso. Ubheke labo mama labaya into bebagwaba labo mama labaya. Abosisi, yeah. Abosisi mama. And you see ukuthi bayalandelana. That is important because yonke into mayenzakala ubheka abobaba abobhuti lapha nabobaba nensizwa. One thing ubheka abomama ngale, one thing ubheka abosisi mama ngapha phakathi nabosisi aunt, same thing. And then you're like, yo, but now maningekho in sync bazalwane, no matter how good, no matter how clean you guys are, if ukugwaba is not in sync, it messes up everything. It's like uphaka ukudla ungana gravy, uzosutha but you won't be satisfied. Take that to note. Ngizobona. Uyangithola? Uyangifila boy? Uyangifila? Uyangifila? You feel me? This is what I'm talking about. Askwabeni. Ah. No, yabona ukucula. Hayi, 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 hey, hey. Like as ngizongikhohlisa ukuthi fanele ngi-react. Like I'm now enjoying the singing. Like it's just plain and simple. Wena wazi izisi zethu. Ah, something something ngezifo. What? Okay, let me get what you say. I think he said wena wazi izifo zethu. And then that's it. That's it. Ebathini labo mama. Aningitshele lapho kuma-comment cause elaseThekwini le bandla. Yeah, I need more reaction to Christian Catholic Apostolic Church. I need more reactions. I'm not convinced with that one. But I'm not convinced. I know I'm gonna see more. Yes, definitely more is coming. So yeah, for sure, man. Ukwaba is such it plays such an important role. Ukuthi if people don't focus ekwabeni as well, everything will not look great because ukwaba is that last pillar. Guys, understand this. I need to sisacula, right? Cula is music. Mina as a professional dancer, I used to look at street stupid. My job is to make music come into life. Mele mongibukela uthi yo, this person is bringing music to life. Ukwaba ke lokho. Ukwaba is bringing the music into life. If ingoma izoba whichever pace it is, ukwaba kwakhona brings out the music to life. So if ukwaba is not in sync, is not intact, and people are doing their own things, bakufane squabe, you are not representing the music the way it should be. That's why ngithi kini, people must not take criticism personally but professionally. Ubheka i-River, ubheka i-Believers, ubheka i-Blessing, ubheka i-Khalabangcwele, ubheka i-Crocs, ubheka, I don't know a lot of churches, but those five, talk about the five that I know. Look at those five. and then you look at every person okwabayo, whether God's vision, whether kwababo mama, whether kwababo bhuti, kwababo baba, it's important for everyone to look the same, man kwaba. Don't do unnecessary move. Ngibona omunye usisi lapha emuva njengoba bekugwaba. Everyone is here and then she's moving her neck. No, don't do that. Ayithi gwaba sonke. Remember ukuthi once you want to stand out, you mess up everything. Like you mess up yonke into. On point, on the singing note, they've got it. No, they've got it. They have one of the best voices too. But clean la, oh but clean. There's something clean, clean. Squabin. That's that. Mina, ninte ngikhalayo le. Ukwa. Hey, the rest. Nganbiza anytime ngithi yeah. Triple CAC. Triple C. Double CAC, baba. Yeah. Anyway, guys, if you like what we're doing, make sure that you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like man. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment, share your thoughts with me, recommend other churches too, so that I can react to. And yeah, man, and like, the more you like, the more my videos can get around. So, yo, guys, the favorite way to stitch with the adios.